I'll walk you through the steps on how to delete a Facebook group, whether your group has served its purpose or you simply want to start fresh. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here are a few things to keep in mind about deleting a Facebook group. You must be an admin of the group to delete it. Facebook requires you to remove all members from the group before you can delete it. Once deleted, a group cannot be restored, so make sure this is what you want to do. Now that you know the basics, let's go through the steps. Open the Facebook app, log into your account. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom. Tap on the group section from the menu. Tap on your groups to see the groups you manage and select the one you want to delete. Now tap on Manage. You need first to remove all the members from the group. Tap on People in the menu. For each member, tap the three dots next to their name and choose Ban from Group. Confirm the removal and repeat until only you remain. After this, tap the back arrow and go back to the Manage zone. Scroll down to the end of the settings. You will see there is an option called Delete Group. If you go to the bottom of this page when there are group members, the option called Delete Group will be Leave Group. So you will be able to leave the group, but the group will not be deleted if there are still members. Tap Delete Group. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete Group. The group will be permanently deleted once you confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a Facebook group. Remember that deleting a group is permanent, so be sure it's what you want before taking these steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more social media tips, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.